Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about types of bifocal lens. The definition is a presbyopic subject requires a separate correction for distance and near vision for two prescriptions may be provided as one pair of spectacle in the form of a bifocal lens. It means bifocal eyeglass lenses contain two lens power to help us see object at all distance and near. After we lose the ability to naturally change the focus of our eyes due to age, also known as presbyopia. Due to this specific function, bifocal lenses are more commonly prescribed to people over the age of 40 years to help compensate for the natural degradation of vision due to the aging process. There are different designs of bifocal are available nowadays. Number 1, Benjamin Franklin bifocal. Number 2, solid upcurve bifocal. Number 3, perfection bifocal. Number 4, cemented bifocal. Number 5, cemented cryptic bifocal. Number 6, fused cryptic bifocal. Number 7, straight top bifocal. Another name is D bifocal or flat top bifocal. And number 8 is executive bifocal. Number 1, Benjamin Franklin bifocal. Here this upper portion for distance and this lower portion for near vision. Here this is the first bifocal lens created for the invention of the first bifocal lens of 23rd May 1785. Here had two pairs of spectacles cut in half and put half of each lens in a single frame and joined them together so that the distance correction was on top and the near correction was placed in the lower part of the lens. Number 2, solid upcurve bifocal. Here upper portion for distance and lower portion for near. Here manufactured by grounding the near prescription in a lens and the more distance correction was then ground into the upper back surface. Here advantage is this is better for cosmetic appearance compared to Benjamin Franklin bifocals. This is the second step of bifocal lens. Benjamin step is first step and solid upcurve is second step. And here the field of vision is wider compared to the Benjamin Franklin bifocal. But here disadvantage is optical center cannot easily adjust and distance portion produces a strong base down prismatic effect and image jump. Number 3, perfection bifocal. Here similar to the Franklin bifocal, but it was cut in such a way that the junction between the top and bottom portion was a common arc. Common arc means a curved line part of a circle. Here two portions were joined by beveling. Beveling means reduced to a sloping edge to contact peripheral part such that they fitted together at the junction. Here distance portion was larger than the near portion. Next, cemented bifocal. Here upper portion for distance and this round section for near. Here a thin wafer of glass, it means uses in semiconductor manufacturing varies based on design with same refractive index, as the major lens was cemented to the back surface of the original lens, and Canara balsam was used as an adhesive agent. Canara balsam means a yellow transparent resin obtained from the balsam fire. Because its refractive index is similar to that of glass, it is used as an adhesive in optical devices. Canara balsam used for the adhesive the two lens, and front surface of wafer has same curvature as back surface of original lens. Next, cemented cryptog bifocal. Here manufactured by grinding a countersink. Countersink means a drilled hole curve into the front surface of the major lens of ophthalmic ground glass. After that, a wafer of flint glass. Flint glass means this is a optical glass that has relatively high refractive index and low Abbe number, was cemented into the countersink area, and the surface was covered with a thin meniscus of glass cemented into place. Meniscus means the curved upper surface of a liquid in a tube, and the addition power was generated because of refractive index of the segment and the concave interface between the segment and major portion. Next, fused cryptog bifocal. Here manufacturing process, a round countersink cavity was ground and polished on the front surface of the major lens, and the back surface of the round flint button was ground and polished to a curvature of radius only slightly less than the countersink curve. After that, the flint button was placed in the countersink and heated to 600 to 700 degrees centigrade, at which it softened and fused to the countersink. Next, number 7, straight top bifocal. Another name is D shape or flat top bifocal. Here the button had upper half of the button of same refractive index as that of the original lens, but the lower half of the button was of higher refractive index. Here the upper half of the button was invisible and only the boundary between the two different material of the button remained visible. Nowadays this design is available in a market, and the advantage is it is cosmetically more appealing and it is very light, and here less optical aberration and less prismatic effects. Next, executive bifocal. Here the near edge is ground on the front surface of the lens, and the front surface has a more convex curvature in the lower portion than in the upper portion, which creates a leech. The advantage is it is a large field of view and laser chromatic aberration, but the disadvantage is it is very heavy and dust accumulates in the long deep, and the edge of the segment chips easily. Thank you.